Okay, so this is the transmission, obviously. And this is the, actually it's labeled right on it, says diff oil. That's the drain. And right next to the drain is the, where you check the fluid, this is like the overflow. So you gotta take both these out. That looks like a big T70, like the old Subarus. Smaller than the other one. The big mistake people make with these is when they fill them, there's another port on this side. Can't see it. Right there. That's actually the transmission fill for the automatic transmission fluid. So people will mistakenly put gear oil in there and end up running the differential, the front differential dry and contaminating the automatic transmission. And this is the transmission level indicator hole. You got to do it with it running and stuff like that. I actually just did the transmission valve body in this car not too long ago because it was having a problem and we were just out of the extended warranty under the recall and stuff, so I ended up coming out of pocket a little bit for that and did it myself to save money. So let's see if we can get this out and do this right. It should be okay. Just a little came out of there. Probably because we're on a downhill like this. Not much. This one should be the majority of it. It's pretty dark, considering it's got a magnet on it too. No big chunks, which is a good sign, obviously. Now, I'm going to show you where the fill port is on this. So I guess if you were in the vehicle, it would be like if you were in the driver's seat, it would be on the right-hand side of the transmission, just above the CV axle shaft. It's that one right there. That's another 8mm. That's where you fill from. You fill from there, and then you leave the bottom one open. And you fill until it comes out of there. There's like a little oil passage where it overflows to and it comes out of there. So I'm gonna let this drain a little bit. I'm gonna try and do this without, see where I'm going here. Ooh, that was not cool. It was really tight. Okay. Got the gear oil ready to go back in. And there it is. Alright, I hope you found this video useful or informative. Be sure to click like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And check out some of the other videos of the Subaru Crosstrek repair.